As the market leader in target enrichment, Agilent has combined the expertise of our Automation Solutions Group and our genomics team to develop a system that automates SureSelect XT, Agilent's newest library preparation and target enrichment kits. Our automated solution streamlines sample preparation of the next-generation sequencing workflow to maximize your throughput while consistently providing the highest quality data. In addition to our automated library prep and capture solution, we also offer qPCR library quantification kits and the Agilent Bioanalyzer to validate the quality of your samples. Our eArray software gives you the flexibility to custom design your capture kit at no additional cost. Whether working with our custom-designed kits or one of our targeted catalog kits, SureSelect XT enables you to focus on your regions of interest by providing a complete reagent and automation solution. The Agilent SureSelect XT automated library prep and capture system integrates our SureSelect XT library prep and target enrichment reagents with the Bravo automated liquid handling solution. As the developers of the leading target enrichment tool and innovative automation products, Agilent is best equipped to automate the entire target enrichment workflow. Our scientists and engineers work hand in hand to develop the most robust and streamlined protocols, so you can be confident that our system has been fully validated. The Agilent automated system arrives in your lab with preloaded protocols, allowing for rapid startup time. The system coordinates the steps of SureSelect XT library prep and target enrichment for leading next-generation sequencing platforms, including Illumina GA2, Illumina HiSeq 2000, and Life Technologies solid sequencing systems. By automating the process, we have greatly improved the speed and efficiency of next-generation sequencing sample prep to deliver consistently reproducible and highly accurate samples. To keep up with the increasing capacity of leading next-gen sequencing platforms, the preloaded protocols enable each workstation to process 2 to 3 96-well plates per week. After shearing your samples, the automated process begins with solid-phase reverse immobilization or SPRI purification of your genomic DNA. With the Bravo's flexible configuration, you can process 8, 16, 24, 32, 48, or 96 samples at a time. Agilent's SureSelect XT library prep protocols on the Bravo run seamlessly through the tedious and time-consuming SPRI purifications to the PCR enrichment step, freeing you to perform other tasks. The vWorks software will calculate the completion time and alert you when to return. Let's take a look at how our automated system works. The process begins with the Random Access Mini Hub, which holds master mixes and plates required for the NGS workflow. The BenchCell 4R Plus racks act as a reservoir for tips and also allows for interaction between the Mini Hub and Bravo deck. The Bravo automated liquid handling platform performs the bulk of the work by parallel processing the samples, while the BenchCell 2R integrates the microplate sealer and the microplate centrifuge to minimize evaporation. Agilent offers the largest and most complete set of integrated platforms and reagents for furthering your targeted resequencing research, making Agilent a leader in the next-generation sequencing market. High-quality, innovative instrumentation and well-published complete reagent solutions from Agilent Technologies accelerate scientific and genetic discovery. For more information or to request a quote, please contact your Agilent representative or go to www.agilent.com.